Alright everybody, so now this is the rear exterior kit. So far I've done, we've completed the eyebrow kit, the hood kit, the underbody kit, and here's the rear exterior. So these two long strips here are going to go all the way down the fin from the front to the back. These two here strips are going to go on top of the roll bar hooks. These are going to go on the bottom of the roll bar hooks, and these two will go on the rear storage compartment. So we're going to light it up real quick. So awesome, everything works like it's supposed to. And next we're going to do, I got a 6-row rim light kit to do. So fun. Anyway, you got any questions, let me know.